I've been waiting for hours, so many hours, watching every car, hoping one is yours, waiting for hours, waiting for you to come home.
It's Monday. I don't want to get into it about what happened this weekend. We had a really good time at the birthday party on Saturday. We then went to a family get-together. I would have loved to bring my camera, but with just how busy it was and with how many people were gonna be there, I just figured it would be easier not to and just kind of enjoy, especially since we only see a few of those people like once a year at this thing. So that's why you didn't see us Saturday. Relationships are hard, they're not easy, and mine's not perfect. So Sunday I wasn't pulling the camera out, and I honestly don't even want to today. But I've committed to this Vlogmas and I want to be kind of as real as possible with you guys because I appreciate realness back. So we're moving forward with today. Wyatt and I got up at 7 o'clock. Justin left for work at 8. It's 9:40 now. Wyatt's just going down for a nap. We might go for a play date this afternoon, which I will bring you with because I know this mom's also a YouTube mama. She's not active right now, but if she ever does become active again, like, that'd be super fun. Kaylee, you should become active again. So anyways, we're gonna go there this afternoon if she's feeling up to it. If not, I do need to grab a few things from the grocery store, so I'll probably do that.
Squeaky. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I know. Oh, I know. What's out there? Are they eating? Are they eating without you? Want the baby? Be gentle. Be nice and gentle. Little toes don't pull. No, no. No, no. He's not the kitty. No, no face. Oh my gosh. Okay. Sit. I know. You're so mean to the baby. There you go, big guy. There you go. You be nice. Oh no. Play. You having a snack?
I know that it's totally my fault, but I'm sick and tired of stepping on all these stars. Ugh. I'm seriously debating like meditating, guys. That's how stressed I am. My face is all red. We just got back from the play date, which was super fun and super cute, and I love getting baby snuggles, especially since mine doesn't really like to cuddle anymore. But like, he's miserable. He's feeding off my energy, which is not great. Hey, buddy? Mama having a bad day? So cute, though. Hey, you're so cute, though. I know. He's so good to me. I don't deserve it. He's gonna go down for a nap. I'm kind of looking forward to this, like, one nap a day. Just because I find, like, you know, we go to the play date and like I rush home to get him down for this nap, and like it'll just be nice to be able to like go out and do stuff either in the morning or the afternoon and like not try to squeeze it in during the middle of the day. My aunt mailed me a card, and is this not like the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? I'm thinking I should probably like use it as a decor item or something. When are you gonna walk? When are you going to start walking there, big guy? Hey? What'd you find? What is that? What is that? Oh, that was yours. Oh, hello. It's trying to climb up me. No, you shouldn't do that. Oh, hey. Hey. Hello, excuse me. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna say hello. Say hello. Are you gonna clap? What do you think you're doing? No, 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 no. Hey. 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 This little monster is destroying my parents' tree. Come here. Hey. Would you quit? Hey, Wyatt. Wyatt. Excuse me. Excuse me. No, 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 no. 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 We don't do that. Stop. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're at my parents' house right now, and there is like way too much for this guy to get into. He is acting like a little toddler right now. Like he's pulling ornaments off the tree. He took a wine stop out of the wine rack. He's currently trying to destroy my camera. I've tried everything to try to get him to calm down, but he just wants to grab everything he's not supposed to. Like, yeah, a room full of toys. I even have the Wiggles on for him. I'm basically at my wit's end today. We're gonna take Wyatt to go see Santa tomorrow, so that's gonna be fun. First time seeing the ho 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 ho. Yeah, so we're gonna go see Santa tomorrow, and we got playgroup. And yeah, so I just wanted to check in with you guys because I haven't been on at all today. It is Tuesday now. I've had like minor meltdowns all day today. He's been testing my limits. I swear he knows. So anyways, I've got to go. Wyatt's getting way too much, so he's going to bed soon, and then I'm going to relax and probably drink some wine. I just put Wyatt to bed, and like, I don't deserve to have that kid as my son. I probably don't even deserve to be a mom. Like, I probably snapped on him like more times than I want to admit today. And he doesn't deserve it because I'm not mad at him, so hopefully tomorrow's better. So I'm pulling myself together. We've got playgroup today at 1:30. I'm trying to get Wyatt down for a nap because I'm pretty sure he's just stressed, and I think he might be catching a little bit of a cold. So we leave in about an hour. And then after playgroup, we're gonna take Wyatt to go see Santa, and I'm gonna film the crap out of that. So stay tuned for that. As of right now, I am just trying to take care of me and my family. So yeah, good times, good times. I will see you soon for Santa.
Ready to go see Santa?
Jingle, 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 jingle.
Jingle bells, jingle, 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 hey, jingle, jingle, hey.
Now is the time, now is the time, now is the time, now is the time.
Well,